I swear I heard, it probably wasn't you, Eric. I thought it was for some reason, but pretty sure the base cards are limited to 200 in the gold packs. I could be wrong, but I swear that's what I heard. All right, here we go. Elite Baseball number 29. Good luck, everyone. Correa, hype. Peterson and Finnegan rookies. There it is. Jock Peterson rookie auto. Nice hit. For the Dodgers, Jeremy W.H.I. Be happy about that one. Nice add to the PC. Nolan Ryan, gold stars. Rizzo, the gold 17 of 49 for the Cubs. Jeremy, W.H.I. Jones, All-Star Salutes. Palmer, Legends of the Fall. We did packs already, yeah, but you can put pack orders in whenever, and I'll get it in the time between breaks. Strasburg, Collegiate Elite. Matt Caesar, Rookie Essentials Auto. 8 of 75 going to the Cubs. Jeremy, W.H.I. Looks like this is going to be Jeremy's box. Nice hit. Frank Thomas, Gold Stars. Abreu, career best material. Nice jersey. 213 of 299 for the White Sox. Reggie, G-I-E. Rodon, hype. Couple of them, Frank. Bautista, All-Star Salutes. Matt Caesar auto. And Jock Peterson auto. David Price, Gold Stars. Molina, All-Star Salutes. Clemens, Collegiate Elite. Molina, the Inspirations die cut, 67 of 96. For the Cardinals, Ty, T.O.B. Yorman Rodriguez, Future Threads, rookie jersey. Going to the Reds, Eric H.I.L. Abreu, Elite Stature. George Brett, Gold Stars. Our last pack. Wainwright, All-Star Salutes. Couple base. That'll do it for Elite 29. Oh, man. Lions suck. I need a pro team to root for. Hey, what's up, Jeremy? 15 Prism Baseball?